Hi everyone, welcome back. So guys, as part of this session, we are gonna see how exactly we can handle this prompt alerts, where in which we will be entering some value, and upon entering that, if you click on an OK, as part of the result, you will be getting you entered Surendra is being populated. I just want to review, validate this result as well. So what I am doing right now is I am copying this program and I'm pasting this particular program again with a new name. Okay, with a new name, and this is the new program that it got created. And as part of this program, you just need to click on a prompt. So here, instead of this JS confirm, click for JS prompt. So I just added a click for a JS prompt. And inside that, I'm not sure about these two. Hence, I'm just commenting these two expects. So here, after that, so we need to enter a value into this prompt. We don't have any specific methodology to enter this value into this directly. Into this accept itself, you need to pass the value. Into that accept itself, you just need to pass the value. Perfectly all right. Let me try to run this third program that we have created. Third, let me try to execute this program and check it out whether it is handling this or not. Okay, perfectly all right. So my browser instance got launched. So step over. See, it clicked on it. See, you entered Surendra being populated. Perfectly all right. So, guys, even in the previous session, also we have a handle that particular one. There is a result. We didn't validated that result. Let us try to validate that particular result. So, whenever I have inspected it, it does has an ID as a result. So, this is not a part of the assertions is not part of the dialog handler. The assertion is a completely outside of this particular one itself. So here await, okay, await page dot locator. Okay, await a page dot locator. This is what my result is, and I just want to get the text content. Ideally, the text content outcome is you entered Surendra should be populated. So here, what I'm gonna do right now here is expect, okay, the result to be you entered Surendra. This content to be you entered Surendra. That's what I just want to validate it. And additionally, earlier we printed that and it's gonna be a type as a prompt and I'm a JS prompt. So let us add this exceptions as well. So the dialog message to be a JS prompt and the dialog to be a prompt. Basically, I'm validating it. Let me try to run this particular program and check it out whether all the assertions are being executed successfully or not. Let me run this particular program and okay, something went wrong here. So it just clicked on it and it's not handling. So what mistake we did right now, it should handle. It won't take this much time to handle this, right? So uh, this is the only chunk dialog.type dialog.message. It should be a prompt, and I just want to accept Surendra. I just commented those, expect logics, and let me rerun this program again, the example 3. The reason why I have a commented is whenever that prompt got populated in a fraction of seconds itself, it will handle it, right? See, this time it handle in a fraction of seconds. See, you entered Surendra and we are validating that assertion as well, and even that assertion is successful. See here, even that assertion is successful. Okay, so here this message I am a JS prompt. Okay, so here copy this and update it here. I am a JS prompt. So the issue here is my copilot is giving me the prompt in an uppercase, but the application is having a prompt in a lowercase. That's the issue. Okay, let me save it. Let me run this program again and let us see that time. Okay, this time now. Okay, so that's the issue, guys. Sometimes it saves a lot of time, but sometimes the small issues it's gonna create for us. Okay, that's the way how it got executed. Earlier, the script why it got a fail means in this prompt instead of a lowercase, my copilot prompted me with an uppercase. That's the reason it encountered an issue. I just corrected it and my script executed successfully. So this is the way how exactly we can handle these alerts. Okay, perfectly all right. See you again in the next lecture. Thank you.